Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today we're talking about AT&T Internet Air review. So guys, this is internet with our reliable 5G network and usage contributing to configurations network. This is greatly reduce your speed for 30-minute 5G guys. It is not available for everywhere and it is a reward card redemptions. So guys, as you can see here, you have some features here: fresh take on your home internet, no price increase at 12 months, no average fees and no annual contract, completely Wi-Fi enhanced coverage and speed and security guys, $0 self stops, plug in your AT&T guys, all fit fiber optics and connection in just 1 minute, and it's home internet reliable, as I say, wireless network. This over a 5G guys, you can get up for $60 per month, and you can save up to 20 every month. So guys, you can add an eligible AT&T wireless plan. This is if I check down guys, you have a simple and easy internet, your connection to everything. You can manage in your home Wi-Fi network with smart home manage app. You can stay safe online with active armor internet security. So guys, this is some features here. You can stay safe at home, and you have AT&T full device that's powered strong Wi-Fi coverage, and this is order today. You can self set up 1 minute equipment included. So guys, I hope this video review helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share, and for more content these steps guys: first one, download the app and sign up, create easily account and set up, and you can scan with your QR code for all fee help and then to get connected. Thanks for watching this video.